Okay, off my old ultralight. Golly. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Probably my biggest catfish off of a bluegill jig. It's not want to give it up easy. Try not to break this 2-pound test line. No telling how long I've been fighting this thing. I hadn't put winged bluegill in the boat this morning because I've missed them all. Now we got a big old catfish. Or whatever this is. I believe it's about to come up. Hey, straight down. Ooh. This here is fighter. I feel like I'm fighting marlin on a Zebco 33 right now. I'm trying to video it. I could not. Just trying to keep my spool full as much as I can. Dragging me to the bank over here. Started way back there. The other side, in those trees. I believe I'll get him as long as he don't spoil me. We're not in that deep of water. There's the bank. Still haven't got a glimpse of him. Pretty fun little fight though. There's Sloppy Floyd Lake. Still got a lot of fight left. Not sure what I got myself into here. He's pulling me back across the lake. Good way to break in the old jigging pole. We got her doubled over. Looks like the old ducks are coming to take a look. twirled the top. Pretty big. Oh yeah, he's getting close to the top there. Just made another run. I think he's coming to the top. I hope. And he's getting tired. He's gonna make another run when he gets up here. Oh, there he is. Ooh, I don't know what it is. Didn't even get to see him. He didn't like that though. Look at that. Trying to spoil me. This right here is a fun fight. It's gonna be time to go before I get him up. Better come to the top of here. Big catfish. He's right here. I think he's getting tired, I think. I see him swimming. He got big old head shakes. Look at that. Good nut. He's trying to go under the boat. Look at that. So much is pulling me at weight from the kayak. Just anchored down to the bottom.